Alright, I'm back on Interstate 65, traveling to Florida. Trying to get these truck drivers to honk is not as easy as it used to be when I was younger, when I was a little kid. Let's see if this guy will honk. I'm 1 for 5 so far. Oh my gosh! 1 for 6. This is horrible. I'm embarrassed that you guys even had to watch this. I don't even know what to do with this camper RV. They don't even have that kind of horn, so I'm not going to do anything with them. This is just bad. We got we got a Publix truck coming up. They're great at Publix. I love Publix. Their employees are fantastic. Managers are great. I had a cousin who worked there one time. He was cool. Back then, he's still kind of cool, I guess. Wave to the people that are going by. Bye. They're not even. Oh, everyone's on their phones these days. See if this guy will wave. Hi. Nope, they're sleeping. Man, no one's being social right now. Probably because it's lunchtime. People are hungry or sleepy. All right, so we're getting to this Publix truck. I have a really good feeling about this one. Publix. I mean, they always come through, don't they? BOGO. All right, I'm going a little fast. I'm going to slow down, give them a chance to see me. Come on, Publix. Where shopping is a pleasure. See if he comes through. Yeah! Woo! I don't know if you guys heard that, but Publix totally came through. That makes me 2 for 7. That was awesome. Talk about shopping is a pleasure. That was very pleasing. That sounded weird. Okay. So I'm going to go for one more before I stop recording. Let's see if this Venture Express guy will come through. Hope you enjoy riding along with me. This is fun. Alright, it's air ride equipped. Let's see if it's honking horn equipped. Come on. Woo! Yeah! 3 for 8. That's 2 in a row, folks. I probably need to quit while I'm ahead anyway. There's no trucks coming. That was awesome. Talk about making your day. That kind of stuff right there is awesome. Let's wave to these folks. I didn't see if they waved back. They're from Alabama. Anyways, hope that was fun, guys. Ta-ta for now.